Hi, welcome back to Expert Village. My name is Charlie Folkman, and today we're going to continue building our gazebo. Okay, now it's time to come up with our materials list. So we know that we're going to need 2x4s at 8-foot lengths, 4x4s at 8-foot lengths, 1x2 furring strips at 8-foot lengths, 4x8 by 1/2 inch thick sheets of plywood, and 4x8 lattices. So now let's figure out exactly how many of these we need. And we'll go ahead and just start with the 2x4s. Now we know that this is the underside of our base. All these are 2x4s. These sides are at 34 inches. These sides are at 24 inches. And all three of these are at 69 inches. Well, I should say all four of these are at 69 inches. And then we also got to remember that for our roof frame, it's the same as the outer perimeter of our base. So we're going to go ahead and do the math on this. Now we're going to take our 34 inches first. 4 inches. Now we're going to need 8 of these. 4 for the bottom, 4 for the top. So we're going to multiply that by 8, and we're going to get 272. Then we're going to take our 2-foot ones. And remember, we need that for the roof too. So we're going to do 24 times 8. It's going to equal 192. And then since we don't need to do this framework on the roof, this is just going to be these 69 inches times 4, which is going to equal out to 276. Now we're going to add all these together, which will give us 740. Now that's 740 inches. So we're going to take that 740 and we're going to divide that by 12. And what we're going to end up with is 7.7. So pretty much 8. So that's telling us we need 8 lengths of 2x4s. But what we're going to want to do is overshoot a little bit. So it's always best to have extra material to take back to the lumberyard than having to stop in the middle of the project and go to the lumberyard to get more material. So since we need 8, I'm going to add 4 more pieces, depending on our cuts and everything. So we're going to end up with 12. We're going to go with just 12 2x4s.